Today we're going to be taking a look at the Optronics LED directional warning light. This is a compact white directional light for your vehicle. It provides a warning signal to increase safety. It's going to be ideal for towing, plowing, transportation, warehouse, and agricultural applications. It meets SAE J845 requirements for Class 2 vehicles. The unit's going to contain 12 flash patterns, so that way you can select whatever one works best for your environment and conditions. And you can also synchronize multiple lights together, so 2 or more lights can be wired to flash together or in an alternating pattern. Additional lights are sold separately. This is a full LED system. LEDs are bright, long-lasting, and energy efficient. This unit's going to contain a total of 3 LEDs. It's also going to feature durable surface mount technology when it comes to the construction of the LED circuit board. That's going to better withstand shock and vibration, and it allows for improved heat distribution. Now the unit is sonically sealed, so it's going to feature a waterproof housing and lens unit. It's going to feature an IP67K rating for industry standard protection against dust and moisture. It's got the nice clear polycarbonate lens, it's impact resistant, and it's going to have the black ABS plastic housing. This is a surface mount installation. It's going to permanently install on the mounting surface with the included gasket and hardware. The wiring is a 4-wire design. So your red wire is for power, black wire is for ground, and then your yellow wire is for flash pattern selection and synchronization. So what you would do is you would touch the yellow wire to power to change the flash pattern, and then touch the yellow wire to power 3 times consecutively to reset the flash pattern. After selecting the flash pattern that you want, you would connect all the yellow wires of all the lights together to synchronize the flash. The white wire is for alternating flash, so all the lights with white wires connected to power will alternate with all lights not connected to power. Just be careful not to use the white wire for synchronized flashing. A few measurements to go over with you real quick, and then we'll actually be able to hook it up to power and see what it looks like. Edge to edge this direction. That's going to give us a measurement of about 4 3/4 of an inch. Going this direction, we're looking at about 1 7/8 of an inch, and the overall depth is only about 1 inch deep. The actual light, or the lens area, that's going to give us a measurement of about 3 3/8 of an inch by 1 1/4 inches. The mount holes on this unit are separated on center by 4 inches. Power draw at 13.5 volts is 0.45 amps. And this unit features an operating voltage of 9 volt to 36 volts DC, and Optronics puts a lifetime warranty on the LEDs. We're going to go ahead and hook it up to power, that way you can see what it looks like. Again, our red wire is our power wire. Black wire is our ground wire. I do want to point out that this light does have a constant setting, and that setting just means that the light stays continuously on. It does not flash. But that setting is considered one of the flash patterns. And so when you want to switch between the flash patterns to select the one that you want before you finish your wiring, you take the yellow wire and connect it to power, or you just tap it to power, and that'll allow you to cycle through all the different patterns that's available with this unit. And then I also want to point out, and I'll show you this here in a moment after we go through all the different cycles, we'll also be able to turn off our overhead lights, but there is a random pattern, and that's going to take place whenever you reset the light. So if we tap it 3 times, it's going to reset it, and it's going to take it into a random mode. And that's also considered one of the flash patterns available, because you can install it in the random mode as well. I'm going to go ahead and turn off our lights so you can see how bright it is. It's a really nice bright light. Again, it's going to contain a total of 3 LEDs. So the multi-diode design really helps optimize that light output. Now, if you would like to see a detailed list of all the flash patterns and what they're called, you can go to this products page at etrailer.com to view that list. That's going to do it for today's look at the Optronics LED directional white warning light.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com.